Have you accidentally blocked any person on FaceTime and want to unblock them on iPhone? Well, don't worry, this guide will provide you with 100% effective steps to unblock someone or anyone on FaceTime, allowing you to start making calls again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Unblock through FaceTime settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Scroll down, locate the Blocked Contact section, tap on Blocked Contacts to view the list of blocked numbers or contacts. Find the contact you want to unblock and tap the Edit button in the top right corner. Tap the red minus icon next to their name or number, then select Unblock. Solution 2. Unblock through Contacts. Open the Contacts app or the Phone app on your iPhone. Scroll through your contacts to find the person you want to unblock. Tap on their name to open their contact details. Scroll down and select Unblock this caller. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully unblock someone on FaceTime and resume your conversations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks and stay tuned for the next video.